were you doing in Germany?
I was eating Wiener Schnitzels. 8 years ago, I went to Germany to play in hair.
Can you sing a little bit of that in German? One line.
Ich liebe dich zu lieben.
Sounds good in any language.
Some people just know they could save hundreds on car insurance by checking Allstate first.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Like you know to check your sunroof is closed first, before going through the car wash. So check Allstate first and save when you click or call.
Wait a minute.